guys. Tonight we are working on a couple of different things. We have a Yamaha RT180 dirt bike. It's a 179cc dirt bike. So the dirt bike was donated by a friend of mine. It's kind of just been sitting outside on the side of the house for some time. Immediately, we decided we would actually try to drain out anything that might be in the drain the carburetor out. There was missing a spark plug up here. Actually, as I was messing around with literally with just the fuel lines, literally they all just, in fact, where are the pieces here? They literally just all broke off and just like, it's all nasty. This is what happens with ethanol in our fuel. So even as little as there may be in our typical pump gas, so all the fuel lines are bad. We ran fresh fuel through the carburetor and got all this all kind of nice and cleaned out before we attempted to run anything through it. Then this was the fun part here. We had my friend Chip, super smart, he thought about this. What we did was this bulb, we filled this up with fuel. What we did was literally hung this bulb up here like this, got some fuel in there, turned the power on, kick started it, boom, fired right up. You have to sit here and hold this in order to let it run, but at least we knew that the engine's good, it's got good compression. I'll actually do a compression test on it later, but actually we noticed that the brake actuator was completely seized up here. We had it actually soaking, but it looked like somebody had probably put .5 fluid in this instead and mixed it with the other ones. So I literally got to rebuild that actuator. Then I can attempt to put fresh fluid in it and just pump this whole system out. Try to get all that gunk that's in all those lines now. So really now, just need to clean it up a little bit. Pulled out the air filter here. This was actually pretty nasty. Oh yeah, here's the rest of the other pieces actually we had here. The fuel actually that was in this tank, the tank is so badly rusted. When we poured the fuel out of this earlier tonight, it was literally like coffee. You can just see this is the inside of this tank. We'll get this all cleaned up. And should be off to the races on this one now. The other thing we're working on here is this little scooter. A friend of mine donated this to me when he was moving out of town recently. Couldn't take it with him.